smartphone photographic adapter. First, we put the camera in it. Then move and let camera in the center. Fasten the knob tightly. Attach this adapter to a slit lamp. Go over the eyepiece. Fasten it. Now it is on the 6th magnification.